Hello, my name's Kelley Watson. I'm a certified Pilates instructor. I was certified through the Pilates Method Alliance in 2007, and I've been teaching ever since. I would like to impart my knowledge and experience to you through these videos, so I hope you enjoy. Here are a few beginning exercises for breast cancer remediation or post-operative breast cancer surgery. They mainly speak to lumpectomies or mastectomies, and even in the most non-invasive version thereof. So if you've just had a lumpectomy, this will be good. If you've had a double mastectomy, these will also be conducive toward healing and regaining your strength and just feeling better. All right, so part one, and these are good to do no matter what, just before any exercise program. Chin tucks. So you're like this. You can be seated, you can be standing, but it's far more comfortable to be seated. So just do a head nod. Tuck your chin, and then up, and then to the right collarbone or the right shoulder, and then to the center, and then to the left collarbone or the left shoulder. What you will feel, is when you tuck your chin to the right shoulder, you will feel the stretch here through the scalenes, the SCM muscles that feed down in to the shoulder, which will strengthen any type of reconstruction you may have had, or even just in the shoulder. All right, so that's the very beginning. Then from there, could do shoulder squeezes. So what that is, sit tall, bring the shoulder blades together and release. And I'll show you on the side. So you're like this. Bring the scapula or the shoulder blades, they come together and release. So when you do that, now you're adding the pecs, you're strengthening pec major, pec minor, which support the breast tissue. So those are the muscles that if you've had reconstruction, those muscles have been compromised, maybe even cut to have that reconstruction, but you're just strengthening them and supporting the breasts in that way. So just bring them together and back. And it also feels real good. It's a really good back exercise too. If you want to just stretch out your back, that's really good. Then from there, take one arm. So this is cross the elbow over, then back, and then on the other side. Okay, couple things here. Twice as many, or maybe not twice, but more on the effective side. So let's say you've had any type of reconstruction or surgery on the right side, you will want to stretch more on the right than the left. So you kind of loosen up the scar tissue and actually stretch out if you've had any lymph nodes removed. So do that. Also, it's good for the pecs. Another word here. The affected side will probably have less range of motion or movement. So let's say again, it's on the right, and then maybe the left elbow can come across in this manner. If on the right, the elbow has to move a little bit lower, and you can only move maybe a quarter of the distance, then so be it. Listen to your body. You want to go to the point of stretch, not beyond it. The more you do this, the more range you will have. I mean, durationally, like not just at this particular instant, but let's say 3 weeks from now, if you keep doing this, you'll probably have more range. And then really cross the arm over the body and the shoulder over the body. You will help with those lymph nodes, as I said before. Okay, another really good thing to do is just, and I hate using the word slump because I'm a Pilates instructor, but this really helps with the back and with the shoulders. So roll yourself forward, just kind of like this. And I call this, I think of Toy Story, like when the toys are coming to life and they roll up. So roll up one vertebra at a time until you stretch up to the thoracic and feel the stretch through the shoulders in the back as you do that. So it's just kind of like a roll forward. And you're also stretching out those vertebrae, the cervical vertebrae, which will also help in the shoulders and in the pec recovery because you're all connected. And then roll up just like that, like in a rag doll. You can advance this by roll down carefully, slowly, and then up. And then bring your hands together in front of you. Press the palms together for more of a pec stretch. So the more the palms press together, the more you're strengthening pec major and minor when you do that. Okay, you can advance all of these exercises by sitting on a ball. So same movements, only now when you're on a ball, you challenge balance and you're also working the core a little bit more. Working the core is very important for breast cancer because your core is the center of lymph production. It is one of, might be the center, but it's the center of lymph production. The lymphatic fluid circulates through your body. That's what carries the T cells, the B cells, your immune system, those immune cells, the fighter cells. So when you work the core, it's like you're giving them a little boost or a little kick to circulate through your body and then eat up all the bad cancer cells. So working the core is really important. So by just sitting on the ball, you're helping yourself out. You're helping your immune system just by sitting on the ball. Feet come out in front of you. You can bring your feet wider for more stability. You can challenge the core even more by bringing your feet closer together. So same movements on the ball, the chin tucks, the either side, so forward, and then to the right, to the left, and also circle the head. I forgot about that. So you can just circle the neck, make small circles, help out the cervical vertebrae. If you hear or feel that crickle crack when you do those head knots or those head circles, it's fine as long as there's no pain. And that's just the lack of synovial fluid moving through the joints. So the more you do that, the more you lubricate those muscles. So motion is lotion. Just kind of like do that. And then you will alleviate some of that crackling. So, and it also says that you need it. So thank you for watching my videos and I hope you feel better and I'll see you next time.